Let's see if we can get these balance shafts out. Looks like there's one screw holding it. There we go. One's loose. That one doesn't want to budge. And get the exhaust out. Come on. Why don't you want to twist? I might go back and do it just a little bit slower. Looks pretty good though. Let's put it on speed 1. Let's put the transmission on 1. That looks good. I like that. If you're wondering what this is, you don't want to know. Let's just say it's a stinky mix of old gas, 2-cycle gas, naphtha, mineral spirits, and carb cleaner. But it's cheap and it dissolves carbon like crazy. You can also use for pistons. I did this on the Yamaha bike build. I used GDI combustion chamber and piston cleaner. It is highly volatile vapor wise, so This is a lot less, has a lot less vapor in it, so it's not quite as bad to breathe. It does stink, and it does let off some vapor due to the, it's, you know, all based on crude oil, so, but you can soak it in the GDI cleaner. Because as you know, direct injection, there is no cold spray on the top of the piston. It actually gets injected after the air is compressed and heated, so as soon as it goes into the chamber, it vaporizes immediately, so there's no cleaning action from the fuel, typically like with multi-port injection. So the GDI cleaner is meant for you to spray it down into the intake ports, let it go down around the valves, let it fill up the chamber and all that stuff, and then it burns away. It's I don't know exactly what it is, but I believe it does have xylene and naphtha probably in it, both of which dissolve carbon well, which is why they put it in fuel treatments. But let's get this one apart, and we'll start soaking it in the black liquid